How to sort mail by date. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'll be teaching you guys how you can sort your Yahoo mails by date. Firstly, go on any Chrome browser you have and search for www.yahoo.com. Make sure that you are logged in here. Then, go to the message box-like icon in the upper right corner. After that, you will be directed to this homepage. Now, in this homepage, you will see the source panel. Instead of clicking on the source panel, click on the advanced option. Now, simply from here, you can sort the emails into specific folders. For example, let's say I want to sort the email in my sent list. I'm simply going to select the option sent, and from the different options, you can also see the option date. Simply click on it, and you have 3 options: in the last 7 days, in the last 30 days, where you can also set custom dates to search for your emails. Now, after entering your date, all you've got to do is click on the search option. And once you do that, the filter will be added, and it will show all the mails based on your filter. I hope you understood this video and are able to sort the Yahoo mails by date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.